All right, so I just wanted to show you how to access PebbleGo. Um, so if you type in Oshawa Public Library and PebbleGo, Oshawa Public Library has a free um, PebbleGo subscription through the library. Um, so you go on, you click on PebbleGo, and this is a great way for students to do research because it actually will read the text to them and it's just like age appropriate text. So the students love to go on animals. We use it a lot to research animals. Um, and then there's science, biographies, social studies, and dinosaurs. We're going to go on science and then go on to life sciences. And as you can see, it actually reads all of the text. And then for this week, they can look at plants. And it has some categories of plants, plant classification, habitats, parts, and what are plants. And it'd be great for them to look at a couple of these. So for example,
what are plants?
And it'll actually have text that can be read to them. So if you click on the speaker, it will actually read the text.
Plants are living things.
It reads it out loud, and then it also highlights the words, which kind of helps them to see the flow of reading. And then there are also printables, so there's like sheets that they can label or put their research on, as well as some media videos. So we use this a lot because it's just a really great kid-friendly, and anywhere like from kindergarten to grade 5 or 6 even. It's a great way to research in kid-friendly language. So this week, if you can visit PebbleGo, that would be great. And do some research and see if we can find out some information about those plants growing in our yards. Thank you.